All right, boys, let's get the party started. Disco. It's like this, it goes. Here he goes. He's out of there. Oh, don't let him go near the truck.
Has it?
Don't let him. That's where we're working.
Oh,
no.
That's not good.
Where's he gone? Has he gone out?
You can work for 200.
No, don't let him go in there.
No,
There's another snake there.
Oh, there he goes.
There's
on,
two snakes.
Yeah, there's another one.
There's another one here, Simon.
You're kidding me.
No. He's got a little. We're in a snake pit.
It looks like a deadly snake to me.
No, he's a little. You can
Well, if you're so sure, grab it. I wouldn't.
There's two of them. Oh, they're putting a tail shaft on and the snakey comes down and goes, hey mate, how you going?
That looked like no true snake to me, dude.
Yeah, yellow belly on him.
I didn't see that yellow belly.
I see him. All right, proceeding with the bashing, and then there he is, right there. He's under your car, see him?
Yeah.
Right there. Go away, snakey. You keep an eye on him, Stu, we'll bash this. He's probably hanging around because of the vibration.
No, I don't know.
Oh,
Easy.
oh, what happened?
He's panicked.
What?
That's panic.
What happened? You right?
Yeah, he's right under me feet.
The snake could have bitten you 10 times. It wouldn't have hurt as much as that did.
What'd you clap? Too close.
Hope you didn't dent my car. Oh, look at that.
No, didn't break my camera. No, just a knee. I'll stay back here for a second, okay?
We dropped the camera, boys. Straight into a snake pit.
Come on.
Whoa, 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 Buzz. Gotta get your winch out first.
What the bloody hell has he done? I'm going to make coffee, leave you with it.
Gotcha. Beautiful.
All just a day in the job of cameraman, all for adventure.
Itchy grass, mate. That's how we roll.
Thought the camera car would have walked up here with no trailer on the back, but there you go. But we've got Barra Dave behind the wheel. He's got two nicknames. One's Barra Dave and the other one's CV Destroying Dave. I think today he might be CV Destroying Dave. Hopefully not.
All right. Now load it up and just see how it feels when he drives. Is Dave in four-wheel drive?
Yeah, you in full drive?
Yeah, my range.
Nah.
Front wheels aren't spinning.
Go. He's not in four-wheel drive.
The front wheels aren't even spinning, are they?
Flashing on the dash.
Go neutral. Go neutral. Try and drag in there.
Was he in four-wheel drive?
It was, but I don't think it clicked in. Something doesn't sound good. Get on it. Go.
Going to come over here. Over here.
Oh, we've done a tyre too now.
Have we?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Cool. Awesome. That's awesome. So we've got ourselves a bit of a situation here. Barra Dave has parked his car on the side of the embankment here. I'm not really sure, Dave. Were you going fishing or something?
Mate, I just trying to do a little bit of filming work for you boys and,
Oh, yeah,
and a little bit off the track.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Even we get messed up.
He's a long way off the beaten track.
Well off the beaten
We got
track.
a winch forward now and a winch back. As he goes, Buzz, take up, Buzz. Take
No,
up,
you're good.
that's it.
Let go.
Bit less, that's it. Straight your wheels, Dave, just keep it straight. Keep it straight the other way, back to the left.
I'm trying, it's really got a lot of tension on it.
Yeah, gotcha, that's all good, hold it there. Alright, you should roll slowly back. Good mate, you're out. Things you got to deal with, off camera.
Here we
I
go.
reckon as soon as that sun goes down, I reckon the mozzie's going to come out. Just got that feel about it, you know?
We need to do something to get rid of them.
Get a big fire going.
I'll get rid of them.
Those trailer brakes dial up there, Jase.
Yeah, I can see you, mate, from where I am. Looks a bit gnarly down here.
Put you down the hill.
That's payback, Harry, because he farted on my shoulder the other day.
Yeah, copy that.
I'm going to wind his windows up.
Hey, Simon, you might want to come and have a look at this.
I'll watch you first.
All right, well, here.
I farted in his car and shut the window.
Did you fart in my car? Did you hop in my car and drop your guts?
That's for the shoulder one the other day. I said you opened a can of worms.
It's going to take me weeks to get that smell out.
Payback time.
You're lucky I didn't light up a cigarette. Would have blown this place to kingdom come.
Yeah, just come down the hill.
The temperature has dropped.
Heaps. It was cold before, now it's really cold.
Yeah, temperature's dropping.
Hey, rock, scissors, who walks through the water?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go again.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no, we both played this game before.
I'm already up to the top of my pants.
I'm going to take my pants off if I'm going for a walk through there. I'm going naked.
Yeah, I want to get my pants
Yeah,
wet.
I'll get my shorts wet.
Do you like my white legs?
Yeah, they look good.
Do they?
No?
Not really.
It's way too cold for this, dude.
Temperature's starting to drop.
Whose thongs were whose here? Are they yours or mine?
Do you see another pair of thongs?
No, but I can't remember.
Quite possibly, the person not wearing any thongs and standing in front of a pair of thongs, and everyone else wearing footwear,
Oh, you got footwear on?
possibly could be yours.
Oh, there you go.
Oh my God!
I couldn't say I thought you had your fish your
Check out
thongs on.
Simon with the big brain. Come in.
You think you're old now?
Is it worth a dip?
It's definitely worth a
What's that big swirl in the?
Yeah, there's full of crocodiles in there, mate.
Oh, that's a crocodile there.
Yeah, I wouldn't swim out too far. They're only freshies, apparently.
That place is awesome. I nearly got stuck. Bit of custard on there, and we'll give it a little bit of a sprinkle of this stuff, mate. This is called cinnamon as well. We'll put some cinnamon on there. Look at that.
Looks good.
How good does that look?
We're going in.
We're going in hot?
We're going in boots and all.
All right.
It's called a shared dessert.
Yeah, it's a shed. It could be one of those.
This is what you normally do with your girlfriend. We won't go there.
Just you to mention something like that.
We won't go there.
Hi, Mum. This is me mate Simon. We're out on the track breaking stuff. We won't be home for dinner.
These All for Adventure moments were brought to you by Rhino Rack.